INEOS Hygienics Hand Sanitiser is now available on the shelves of some of the biggest retailers and pharmacies in Europe. Quite a feat for a business and a brand that did not exist 12 months ago. It's March 2020, and the COVID pandemic has led to a shortage in all hygiene products, from soap to toilet paper.
What was abundant, now in short supply.
Hospitals are running out of hand sanitizer. Something needs to be done.
That's where we can step in and provide that solution. We have the chemistry, we've got the know-how, and we've got the people.
The team at Newton Aycliffe set to work building a production line to produce millions of bottles of W.h.o formula sanitizer to be delivered free of charge to hospitals across the UK. It took them just 10 days.
The challenge we faced was enormous. I don't think anybody thought it was possible.
It's absolutely fantastic that British manufacturers have stepped up and we're in this together.
And I want to pay tribute to all of those businesses such as INEOS who are stepping forward to help in that effort.
Within days, plants in Germany and France followed suit. With the logistics expertise of the INEOS Grenadiers cycling team, supplies flowed across Europe to where they were needed most.
We've got a great logistics team who are constantly doing the operations for the team. I think those skills stood us in good stead, really, and I think being quite transferable, actually, in this situation.
By May, the newly formed hygienics team had begun mass production in the US.
We were able to connect with a group called Healthcare Ready to ensure that we're getting our product to where it's needed most.
Once the shortage of hand sanitizer in healthcare had eased and countries came out of lockdown, it was time to take it to the public. INEOS Hygienics was launched to the world.
Whether your life is about victory or your victories are about life.
The commercial was also the first time the public got to see the touchless hand sanitizer dispenser.
It's a really important piece of equipment, and I like the fact that we've actually designing a really elegant and well-designed piece of kit.
By December, the dispensers are now a familiar sight across the INEOS sports teams.
With INEOS, we have set a very high new standard to protect our people and therefore protect our championship.
And as the new Premier League season got underway, Tottenham Hotspur signed a deal to install the dispensers around their state-of-the-art stadium. And following some major industry awards and thousands of five-star customer reviews, Ocado, Sainsbury's and Morrison's got in on the act.
We're a new player in the established hygiene market, a challenger brand. But INEOS likes a challenge. We've got a growing line of new products like sprays, wipes and dispensers, with a lot more to come.
And it's all because from March onwards, our people have responded to the call of duty and delivered.